we're here to try these MrBeast cookies, and it says Feastables on top. These are peanut butter chocolate chip, and they're plant-based and gluten-free. So let's try this out. They kind of look like Famous Amos, actually. They do have a peanut butter taste with the chocolate chip. Not like the real sweet peanut butter, like Reese's peanut butter. There's code on the back. You can scan if you, I guess, want to win prizes or something. I don't know. These are non-GMO, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, no hydrogenated oils. But it's got a weird taste to it a little bit. So I think I'm just gonna give it a B. So anyways, I'm gonna take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.